Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds EARFUN Air 2 using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. This one is the first method, and then I will show you the second one. Now, if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and then at the back side of the charging case we have also USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port, and on the front side we see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Now the second option is to use reverse wireless charging, because these earbuds support wireless charging. But your phone should support this technology. You need to go to the settings, then to the battery, at least on stock Android. So scroll down, and in the battery, right here we have battery share. You need to enable this mode. Then turn over your phone and put your earbuds at your phone. But we need to find a good position, and we have the LED light, so it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.